We are looking at infographics and trying to interpret data or learn things from pictures and graphics. So it's reading charts and graphs and getting meaning from them. So in this page I'm looking at right here, it says comparing weights. How many elephants are equal to a blue whale? So they show a chart here that a blue whale is 145 tons. But then next to it, it says that that equals this many elephants. And so underneath it says one blue whale equals 22 African elephants. Wow. And an African elephant weighs 6.5 tons, and they tell me how many cows it weighs, and one cow, and how many dogs it takes to equal the same weight as a cow. So today your work is going to be looking at infographics and figuring out what the meaning is of the infographics. So this is trying to give us a relative. We think of elephants as being the largest land animal, and they're huge. They're 6.5 tons in weight. And yet, when we compare them to the blue whale, this gives us a really good idea. Think of how big one elephant is. And they're showing us that for a blue whale, which we don't get to see ever really, because they're other than in videos, we can't visit them at the zoo to really get an idea of how big they are. But I can get a pretty good idea if I think about 22 elephants all squished together. That is how much weight a blue whale would have. And that is really amazing. So thinking about a dog, a 44-pound dog, it would take 35 dogs to equal the weight of one cow, to give us some perspective about how big and heavy that cow is. So in today's work, you're going to be looking at infographics and trying to gain some meaning from those things. So when I ask you the questions, you're looking at the pictures, reading the words to figure out what the meaning of that graphic is. I hope you enjoy looking at these. I find them fascinating. Have a great day.